Let's go to a Devon House tour.
Upon entering, you are greeted with where you can make some few stops at Devon House. Here's the information desk. We got these in our carnival package and we decided to use them. Oh, my restaurant, you there on your son? I've never.
It's about to go down.
We're at the Great Devon House.
Hi, Barbara. Nice meeting you. Devon House was built in 1881. It was built by George Stevell, first black Jamaican to become a millionaire.
Wow.
That's rich.
Yeah, that's rich.
He acquired wealth through gold mining in Venezuela. Later returned where he bought 99 properties.
Ooh, rich guy.
Tell you, numbers are law game to buy the 100, so you can only buy 99.
He's smart too.
Yeah.
From the 99, he erected Devon House at the cost of £10,000.
But that's still a lot of money now, yeah.
The family lived here up until 1923, and then it was sold to a family called the Belhado, who then sold it to the Linders. The house was about to demolish. Now that was when the Jamaica government stepped in, bought it through the National Trust. Mansion is built up of red brick, timber, and plaster. It's built rectangular, so you get the cross ventilation, and it's Georgian with Caribbean flair.
Wow.
So now I'm going to take you up some. And then you have the t-shirts.
So Devon House souvenirs.
This is the entrance hall, or what we call a palm hall. The panels are silk screen. And they also painted by a local artist, her name Angela Staple. Above a 17th century Dutch brass chandelier.
Ooh,
Looks like
chandelier.
gold, but it's brass.
Really? It is brass? It's giving gold.
Actually, it is.
So creative.
Now below you have the Caribbean classic sofa with cane backing and seated.
What's in the back? What's in the back?
Caning.
That's actual cane?
Yes, actual.
Really?
And then at the top now you have the carving, so we call it scrollies motifs.
Wow.
And then we have two camelback sofas with the wingback chairs and the footrest, which are from the turn. Chinese.
Wow. Hey, this looks like foreign.
They have the lovely teacups and saucer, and they're English porcelain with Chinese motifs.
Wow. This is really nice.
No, that's in case of storm, the wind will blow the candle. Yes.
Oh, it's very big.
Guys. Why you have to try and drop a while ago? You would have been you.
Hello, welcome to our COLLABS.
I'll tell you.
Keep on reinventing the wheel.
Yeah, because this would have been what we put
Girls
the.
are using on TikTok.
Yeah.
It's kind of bottles, but
You see a chalice. So that's for the wine. Right? And then you see a host. Clean Bedford, who was less than governor in 1702. Here.
Peter.
When they walk back and forth, their eyes look like it's falling.
Yeah, I'm afraid of Peter him.
Those are the very same thing.
Choo-choo.
Yeah.
so pretty.
This.
Let's meet them.
Do this and beat way. Jamaica first did it.
Thingy is so adorable.
This is what you would use back in the day. But this, you know, say, it's a good thing we don't have them here. Because with that song, I watch their TikTok. Comfortable. Come through.
The daughter.
Oh, pink.
No, look at here you have the four that's under the bed. So we know them never did have black doll, so we make the black doll.
Yes, love that. Guys, this is my auntie.
Right.
But I don't really want you know say my auntie, no, but I just make you know it's my auntie. They want them invite me.
Engaged in fishing, metal industry.
This is like
That is crystal shattering.
This is
Ooh,
me. This is I. This is me.
Crystal.
Crystal.
This is nice.
And then you have the Adam sofa. That's where the ladies would sit and wait until they do that. Oh, question you. So it's like, oh, you come here to relax.
Okay, so if you don't want dance.
So there you have the plantage chair, the inside leather, silver marble, and those are the pen. Yes.
Watch feather him. The future is
No, literally.
this
there's
is just like
exactly
Puerto
how the bench
Rico.
them on the side, the food court area, the park.
I'm going to insert a picture of Puerto Rico because this is exactly how it looks. Rate your experience. I give a big smile. The tour done. He done.
Oh,
Ice cream with the tour. I got strawberry cheesecake and guys up here full of picnic. I'm gonna ask all of you to picnic about schools. I think you guys need to start letting the kids go inside. Stop making them come from people them in lawn and eat KFC. I'm buy ice cream now.
You don't know history about Jamaica.
Yeah, for true, for true. I actually love the tour.
And kudos to the workers there, like. Hey, this is the Meltes Devon ice cream.
You know, I'm gonna just end the video right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned until the next video. Mwah!